Do you want to hear the world clearly and enjoy every sound? Discover the best earwax removal in London at Hearing First London. Say goodbye to ear discomfort with our expert ear cleaning services. Book your appointment today and experience the difference. Experience the finest in ear care with our Microsuction earwax removal. The best in London, right at your doorstep. Don't let earwax block your joy. Book your Microsuction earwax removal in London now and hear the difference. At Hearing First London, we offer top-notch ear cleaning services. Book now and find out why we are the best in London. Need reliable earwax removal in London? Visit us at 90 York Saint for the best Microsuction services in town. Your ears deserve the best care. Book your ear cleaning appointment in London today and enjoy crystal clear hearing. Microsuction earwax removal is safe, effective and available at Hearing First London. Book your appointment now. Discover the best earwax clinic in London at Hearing First. Book your spot today and hear every detail clearly. Want the best ear care in London? Visit Hearing First at 90 York Saint for top-tier Microsuction earwax removal. Clear your ears and enhance your hearing with the best ear clinic in London. Book your appointment at Hearing First today.